Hey everyone, so I'm gonna teach you how to crush your pop cans for revenue here in Canada. All you have to do is just to press these cans one by one, because if you will not do it, it will be kinda bulky when you are bringing it to AIM Recycling or recycling centers near you. So it's best idea to crush them to save up space and to have more um, weight, and when you brought it, it's gonna be more, even though because if not, it will be hard for you, just believe on me. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Baka ito ay energy drink din. Yan. Yan guys. Yan. So lalapirutin lang natin ito ng lalapirutin dahil may karamihan siya. Kasi kung hindi mo lalapirutin to, pag nagbenta ka, ang dala mo lang siguro mga 5 kilo pero punong-puno yung sasakyan mo kasi nga, syempre bulky, di ba? Kaya kailangan mo ah lapirutin. So ang dali lang guys, ganon. Yun lang gaganyanin. Yan. So may finished products ka na. So pag pinirat nyo, kailangan lalabas yung hangin. Yan. Tapos dito. Tapos dito. Okay? So yan. May finished products na po kayo. So ulitin ko. Isa pa. Mm. 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 Yan. Yun lang guys. Thank you.